How to fix Wells Fargo bank card declined. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your Wells Fargo card declined. So sometimes when you try to make a purchase or you basically are trying to make a transaction, your card will say declined. So in today's video, we'll go through the most common reasons and how you can fix each of them. So the first and foremost thing is, let's say you're trying to make a purchase of $150 and you only have $100 on your account. Now your bank card will straight say declined as you do not have the sufficient funds to cover the transaction. So that is one of the most common reasons as to why your card will get declined. Now the second is basically your spending or withdrawal limit reached. Let's say you have a daily limit of $2,500 and you've already made the transaction worth $2,500. Now, even if you try to make a transaction of $10, let's say, your card will still decline as you have already reached or exceeded your withdrawal limit. So there are two ways on how you can fix this problem. The first one is basically increasing your daily limit, and the second one is simply waiting for the next day when your limit will get reset. Now, after that, what you can do is basically check for any security holes on your card or your account. And if it is needed, you may also need to update the travel plans. And if a problem is still there, your card is still getting declined after all of these solutions as well, you can basically try to contact Wells Fargo support and they will help you with your problem. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.